Welcome to Aditi Ki Dunya. It is 10 p.m. here, but I'm shooting this video just to have a personal talk with you people. And everyone is sleeping in my home. Today I will be sharing a very delicious, very yummy recipe and very easy recipe. Malai laddu. It's made with very easily available ingredients and very less ingredients within less time. So if you have kids at home, so do try this recipe. They will love this. So without wasting time, let's start the recipe. First, so we have it is 5 ingredient recipe. So first, your ghee, milk powder, condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, cardamom powder and your paneer, freshly made in home. So let's start the recipe. First, we need to add ghee. So in ghee, I have taken a half cup of ghee. In half cup of ghee, I'm adding 2 cups of milk powder, dry milk powder. I took the milk powder of Nestle. I'll show you which milk powder I took. So this is a milk powder which I'm using. This is of Nestle. You can use any milk powder, whatever you want. So in half cup of ghee, we are using 2 cups of milk powder and 1 cup of condensed milk. So your condensed milk, 1 cup of condensed milk is equal to 1 cane of condensed milk. So in low flame, mix all the ingredients nicely. So in low flame, mix all the ingredients nicely. So it's going to look like this. After this is mixed, add homemade paneer, 1 cup of homemade paneer in the mixture. Mix it well. And I forgot to tell you, as I have not used sugar in this, the sugar is absolutely your preference, because I have used the sweetened condensed milk. But if you eat more sweet, so please use sugar, but please use a powder sugar, not the normal raw sugar. So I'll show you the consistency right now. So it is changing now. The consistency is changing. 5 more minutes. it will be totally into the solid form. So now you can see the consistency. It is totally into the solid form. So this is the right consistency which we need for the Malai laddu. So now we are going to pour this mixture into the plate, let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we will be making a laddus out of it. 15 minutes are over. Our material is done. Now we can make a laddu out of it. Let's see. This is the shape we got. Let's make all the laddus and decorate it. See, our laddus are done. They look so good. So we can decorate these laddus with any of the stuffs. I am using raisin right now to decorate because I have raisin with me. But you can use the rose petals, pistas, and kesar. But I'm using raisin. So with decoration, of course, your laddu are very presentable, and you can make easily at home, and you can use in the festive seasons also. These are the great option to make laddus at festive season if you have less time and you need a tasty dish. Please do try this recipe. Everyone will love at home. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you need some other recipe. I'll come up with that too. Bye for now. See you.